Look at that, bro.
Alright guys, first pull. Let's see the pop, guys. Let's see the pop. Let's turn.
What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So I have a little friend with me right here, my Tome. So last night I ended up taking it off because if you guys don't know already, my Tome has a crack on it. I'm gonna show you the crack right now. Let me set it down. Actually right here, look at that fat old crack. So I have a crack, so I'm gonna go obviously weld it. I'm gonna go fix it. That's the reason why it's off the car. And yeah, look at that. Where's the fucking Tome? Oh shit, is that a fucking Tome? But yeah guys, let's go ahead and go pick up my boy Chris and go fix this thing. So it turns out the place that I'm getting my shit welded at is next door to my tuner shop. Is this the VQ God?
Maybe.
What's up, dude? No. Alright guys, so I completely forgot to pick up the camera. I picked up this doofus. We just dropped off the Tome. He told me he's gonna be ready tomorrow morning, and now we have to rush back to the bike shop to get my bike up and running. I need to take on some gas, and I think we might ride it today. So let's get it. Hey guys, well, we switched cars obviously. My dad's in the front with the gas that we were told to bring, and yeah, let's hope we get some footage. Where's my GoPro, bro? You got my GoPro? Let's hope we get some footage with this baby right here, driving the bike, the Gap Cam. Guys, we're back at the shop. Let's go get my bike. are crying, bro. Look at it. Here, I'm gonna pass on the GoPro to Craig. Wanna wear it or no? Alright, never mind.
That was dipping.
I bought the fat ass fucking movie. I got scared. Oh shit.
Hit him up. Yeah, I need some painting work done. They're out here in San Bernardino off the 215. That's their thing right there.
You guys are wondering who's responsible for getting my back up and running. My cousin's shop. His Instagram will be right here. If you guys have any type of off-road toys, I need shit like, I don't know, cages, repairs, I don't know, hit him up. The best prices in SoCal guaranteed. Look at these fucking bikes, and you guys tell me if you think he's playing. Look at these shits. You guys think he's a joke? Fastest bike in Cali? Probably. Need to pick up my Tomei, and guess whose car this is? The famous Fresh Kicks RB swapped G35. Picking up my Tomei, thanks to the man himself, Diaz Built.
What's up?
Look at that, bruh. Whoa. If you guys need any type of welding, what else do you do, bro? Well, he's doing this. Look at that. A G35 with the fucking RB26. Any type of fabric. I can't read that fucking word. any type of work like that, I'm pretty sure you could do it. Look at that. You guys need any type of work, his Instagram will be right here. Guys, it's now the next day. The same person right here, wearing the same shirt and the same pants.
Bitch, I don't want the same shirt.
Yeah, I was the same. That was. Yes.
I'm wearing my Relax. Today I'm wearing Odyssey.
Oh, you're right, actually. But the same color and the same sweats.
I'm wearing my Vans. I'm wearing mine.
Yeah, we're wearing the same sweats.
Yeah, same sweats.
My boy Roberto, about to help me put on the Tome.
What's happening, guys?
Let's go see what's up to the rest of the gang. Rest of the gang. So you got some Capri Suns over here. Hi.
Who doesn't care, bro?
Who? Baboso! I don't got my keys, stupid! Ah, fuck! Update. The Tome is on, but it's not on. So I just shoved it in. I'm still gonna shove it in more, obviously. But I think I might go get a jack just to make my life easier. Alright, so a little update. We just got back from the store. We went to O'Reilly's first. We bought a clamp for my exhaust, the one that I had stripped. So we bought one, it didn't work. We went to AutoZone and we bought another one, and it looks like this one is gonna work. Where's was it at? So he has it in his hand right there. So he got that one. He actually had a what kind of bolt was it? What kind of nut? Loctite?
Lock nut, locking. It was a Loctite nut that you had and shit.
So yeah,
so it wasn't letting it go through.
So this is a part of the Subi that I have on my clamp. It's crazy.
Subi lives on.
Let's see. He said it's all good. I think we're ready to go do a pull. You think?
Let me drive the boat.
Ooh. Why are you looking at me like that? You don't know? Alright guys, first pull. Let's see the pop, guys. Let's see the pop. I'm scared. Please don't. I'm scared to do any more, bro.
Why?
I just fixed it, bro. I don't want to be ready to get.
What do you mean?
It won't, I know it won't bring it up to you. I'm fucking.
Believe in yourself.
I don't feel that strong.
They don't?
We should not do your job.
Well, maybe you're right because it's not hot enough. Feel me?
Alright guys, well I noticed that I did not have a proper outro for this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and turn on that bell notification button so you guys will be alerted whenever I post. And let me know if you guys like the content with the Banshee with my bike, my dirt bike, ATV, however you guys know it. I feel like it's a good addition to the channel. I've been having that bike since I was probably like 10-ish. They had me for a long time, but I just never took it out. I never put it on the channel, nothing. So let me know if you guys think it's a good addition. I'll be for sure taking it out off-roading with my friends and bringing you guys along with me like always. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.